Your streaming TV service gives you the ability to manage your series programs with the Series Rules feature. So what does Series Rules mean? For programs or your favorite sports team that will have many episodes or games that air, you can manage the number of episodes or games that you want your streaming TV service to record. Let's say you really like to watch the news that airs each evening, but you have commitments and can't watch it till the next day. From the program guide, press the left or right arrows of your Roku remote until you've highlighted the program series that you want to record. Press the OK button of your remote to open the program information window. Highlight Record and press the OK button of your remote to open the recording options window. Here you have three options. Record single if you only want to record the single program that you selected from the program guide. Record series new episodes only, which means the service will only record new episodes of the series or sporting event. Or record series all episodes, which will record all episodes of the program including reruns. Once you have made your selection, press the OK button of your remote and you have made your series recording. You can also make changes to your series rules or delete your series recording without deleting already recorded series programs. From the Recordings menu, press the down arrow of your remote until you have highlighted Series Rules. Then press the left or right arrows of your remote until you have highlighted the series that you want to delete. Press the OK button of your remote to open that series. And to delete the series, highlight and press the down arrow on your remote till you get to the bottom of the screen, and then press the right arrow of your remote to highlight Delete. Then press OK on your remote, which will open a confirmation window asking if you are sure you want to delete this rule. Highlight Delete and click OK on your remote. Keep in mind that you will still be able to watch the series programs already recorded and that no more recordings of the series will be made. You can also modify your series rules by changing what recording type and how many series episodes that you would like to keep by following the instructions just given for accessing series rules. There you will see four options: Keep at Most, Show Type, Start Recording, and Stop Recording. You can edit the number of episodes that you want to keep by highlighting the Keep at Most and pressing the OK button of your remote. You can then use the up and down arrows on your remote to scroll up or down to select the number of episodes you want to keep, or you can choose to keep them all. Then press the OK button of your remote to make the change. Show Type gives you the ability to change the type of series episodes that you want to record. By highlighting Show Type, you can choose to record all episodes or only new episodes. Highlight your choice and press the OK button on your remote to select your option. There is another series rule edit feature that lets you add time at the beginning or the end of each series recording, which is especially useful when recording sporting events that sometimes go longer than the time scheduled for them in the program guide. Press the up or down arrows of your remote to highlight either Start Recording if you want to have the program begin earlier than scheduled, or Stop Recording if you want to extend the program recording time. Highlight your selection and press the OK button on your remote. From here, press the up or down arrows of your remote until you have highlighted how much extra time you want to add. Then press the OK button of your remote to make your selection. After you have made your series rule edits, don't forget to highlight Save and press the OK button of your remote to complete the edits.